Saffron farming. Saffron from Jammu and Kashmir is renowned for its high quality and distinct characteristics. Kashmir, in particular, is known for producing some of the finest saffron in the world. The saffron fields are primarily located in the Pampore region near Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri saffron is celebrated for its strong and unique flavor, along with a robust aroma. This distinct profile makes it a prized ingredient in culinary and medicinal applications. The saffron threads from this region exhibit a deep red color, which is indicative of high-quality saffron. The intense color is a result of the unique climate and soil conditions in the Kashmir Valley. Crochene is the natural pigment responsible for the color of saffron. Saffron from Kashmir is known to have a high concentration of crochene, contributing to its rich color and potent flavor. Saffron cultivation in Kashmir follows traditional methods, with farmers manually harvesting the delicate threads from the crocus flowers. This labor-intensive process contributes to the premium quality of Kashmiri saffron. To protect the authenticity and uniqueness of Kashmiri saffron, it has been granted Geographical Indication (GI) status. This legal recognition ensures that products claiming to be Kashmiri saffron must adhere to specific standards and be sourced from the designated region. The climate and altitude of Kashmir provide an ideal environment for saffron cultivation. The region's cold winters and moderate summers contribute to the development of saffron with exceptional characteristics. Kashmiri saffron holds cultural and economic significance for the region, and its reputation as one of the finest varieties globally adds to its value. The labor-intensive cultivation process and the unique geographical factors contribute to the premium quality and desirability of saffron from Jammu and Kashmir. World's best saffron is grown in Jammu and Kashmir.